When testing for pregnancy, you simply can't afford to get a wrong result. But did you know that nearly 1 in 3 women can misread some types of pregnancy test? The many products available can make the choice confusing, and often from the packaging, you don't know what's inside the box. So how can you know which is the right product for you? Let's take a look inside the box at the 3 main types of test: strips, cassettes, and midstream tests. Strips are typically very small, can be fragile, and not easy to use. With no cap, they can be messy and unhygienic. And the result lines are small and often hard to read. Cassettes can feel like a confusing science experiment. The multiple steps and hard-to-read lines make them pretty puzzling to use. Midstream tests are a favorite option for many, as nearly 3/4 of women prefer to test in their urine stream. They are convenient, hygienic, and easy to use. That's why all Clearblue tests are midstream tests and have been especially designed to meet your needs. Clearblue Plus Pregnancy Test has been designed to be easiest to use thanks to the ergonomically shaped handle and 50% wider tip. And the clear plus-minus results are very easy to read. For women wanting the peace of mind of results and words, there's Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with unmistakably clear results. Clearblue pregnancy tests are designed and extensively tested in our laboratories to give you the confidence that they are over 99% accurate from the day of the expected period, easy to use, easy to read, and can be used up to 5 days sooner than the missed period. Clearblue has helped millions of women around the world get the clarity that they deserve. At such an important time, don't leave it up to chance. Clearblue, the world's #1 selling brand in home pregnancy and fertility tests.
You made the right choice by choosing a first response pregnancy test. This is a brand that understands the kind of anxiety you're feeling now, and they've developed the superior science to make you feel assured that you can trust your answer. First Response detects all major forms of the pregnancy hormone, and it's the only brand with tests sensitive enough to detect HCG 6 days before your missed period. Before you test, I recommend reading all of the directions on the insert in your box to familiarize yourself with the steps to take when using your first response pregnancy test. First response tests can be used at any time of day, though HCG, the pregnancy hormone, is more concentrated in your urine the first thing in the morning. You should, though, take care to not drink or urinate 2 hours before taking your test. First response makes it easy with 2 ways to test. First, remove your test stick from its foil wrapper and lift off the pink overcap. Then hold the test by its thumb grip with the absorbent tip pointing downwards and with the display window facing away from you. And just place the tip in your urine stream for 5 seconds, taking care not to get the plastic stick wet. Or simply collect some urine in a clean, dry cup and dip the absorbent tip for 5 seconds for early result, 20 seconds for rapid result. Keep holding the stick with the tip pointing down. Replace the pink overcap and lay the stick on a hard, flat surface with a display window facing up. Now, here's the hard part, waiting for your result. And with rapid result, you won't have to wait very long, just 1 minute. With early result, there's not much of a wait either, just 3 minutes. Reading your result is simple. Any 2 pink lines means the pregnancy hormone HCG was detected, even though the shade of the second line may vary. 1 pink line means the pregnancy hormone HCG was not detected. It may look like it's next to a white line, a gray line, or an indent, but these all mean that you may not be pregnant, or it may be too early to tell. If you do not get your period within 7 days, you should retest at that time with another first response pregnancy test and refer to the package insert for more detail and next steps. If you do receive a positive test result, make sure to make an appointment with your healthcare provider.